Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to the online class of computer. Today we will study chapter 6, Introduction to MS Access 2010, part 2. Today I am going to show you a video on Introduction to MS Access 2010. This is the logo for MS Access 2010. Let's start with the video. It is just an introduction on MS Access 2010.
As we store information in the form of text in MS Word and as spreadsheet in MS Excel, in the same way, a table that stores users' information can be stored in a database. A database software package is a tool for collecting and organizing data for retrieving meaningful information. Database can store information about people, products, orders, or anything else. Many times you start keeping information as a list in a word processing program or spreadsheet. As the list grows bigger, redundancies and inconsistencies begin to appear in the data. It becomes difficult to understand data in list form, and there are limited ways of searching or taking out some required data for review. Once these problems start to appear, it's a good idea to transfer the data to a database created by a relational database management system or RDBMS, such as MS Access 2010. MS Access allows you to create, arrange, and manage large amount of information. After you create an Access database, you can search any information, manipulate it, and extract information from it to prepare required reports. This lesson introduces you about MS Access and teaches you how to create a database. Database. Database is a place where you can store information related to a specific topic. A table is an organized collection of records. For example, telephone directory, address book, or any other information that can be arranged in rows and columns. A computerized database is a container of objects. One database can contain more than one table. For example, an inventory tracking system that uses 3 tables is not 3 databases, but one database that contains 3 tables. An Access database stores its tables in a single file, along with other objects such as forms, reports, macros, and modules. Databases created in the Access 2010 format have the file extension .accdb. And databases created in earlier Access formats have the file extension .mdb. Using Access, you can add new data to a database, edit existing data in the database, delete information, perhaps if an item is sold or discarded, organize and view the data in different ways, share the data with others via reports, email messages, or internet. The parts of an Access database: tables, forms, reports, queries, macros, modules. Tables. The data needs to be organized into tables to get the most flexibility out of a database. In Access, data is stored in tables. A table is a set of columns and rows, with each column referred to as a field. Each value in a field represents a single type of data. Each row of a table is referred to as a record. A record is a row of information that has all the information about one person or entity. Each row in a table is referred to as a record. Records are where the individual pieces of information are stored. Each record consists of one or more fields. Fields correspond to the columns in the table. For example, you might have a table named Employees where each record or row contains information about a different employee, and each field or column contains a different type of information, such as first name, last name, address, and so on. Fields must be designated as a certain data type, whether it's text, date or time, number, or some other type. Forms. Forms are sometimes referred to as data entry screens. They are the interfaces you use to work with your data, and they often contain command buttons that perform various commands. You can create a database without using forms also by simply editing your data in the table datasheets. Forms also allow you to control how other users interact with the data in the database. For example, you can create a form that shows only certain fields and allows only certain operations to be performed. This helps protect data and to ensure that the data is entered properly. Reports. Reports are used to summarize and present data in the tables. A report usually answers a specific question, such as how much money did we receive from each customer this year, or what cities are our customers located in. Each report can be formatted to present the information in the most readable way. A report can be run at any time and will always reflect the current data in the database. Reports are generally formatted to be printed out, but they can also be viewed on the screen, exported to another program, or sent as an email message.
I hope the video was interesting. Thank you. Stay safe and stay healthy.